My name is Griselda Duran, and I am currently working as a customer service where I resolve issues for stores via phone, email, and chats. And I'm just now getting started in cybersecurity, and I am learning a lot with this program. Secure OS configuration. It is a process that involves configuring computer, system, network, or software applications to reduce security risk and implement security controls. The purpose of my project um, in order to protect the system, I want to make sure there are no attackers or systems open. So in this case, the system I'm using is Ubuntu. So I'm going to be talking about least privileges, principles, defense in depth, and regular update and patch management. Least privileges and principles. Always follow the least privileges and principles, granting users the minimum access they need. So in this table, there is a user database that stores all of the information about a user, and it is stored in that /et/password. The second table has several commands it can use to manage users. So this is what I did to create a user and give minimum access. And this is also what I did and what I did to give minimum access as well. So there are two files that list all of the usernames, which is /etc/password and /et/shadow. Defense in depth. This is just to let you know to use a strong password and change them regularly as a basic step to secure your system. And a strong password is at least 12 characters long and include a mixture of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This is what I did to create user accounts. So I add user Gris, add a user Ubuntu, and add a user Wand. After creating accounts, I had to set up Google Authentication on SSH, and I had to follow the QR code instructions. Here are a QR code and codes. Verification code on my Google Authentication. As you can see, Ubuntu is asking for verification code. User 1 does not have any sudo privileges, while Gris does. This gives Gris more control over the system, which is why it allowed me to access this account. With the added layer of multi-factor authentication, I aim to ensure that only authorized users can log in, even if the password is compromised. Here is just an error that I had. I didn't add NoteLog when I tried to log back in into Ubuntu, so it asked for my code and password. After entering them, I got an incorrect password error forcing me to restart and download Ubuntu again. Security audit with Linux using Ubuntu. This is to identify any leaks in the system and determine what might be wrong so I can address those gaps. In here, the output was upgraded instead of up to date when I was doing the system audit system. Here are some ports and packages. I didn't find any warnings in here. Everything seemed okay. Here are just a few warnings and errors when I was running the audit. So this is just a few errors that I had. I went back again and tried to fix those errors, but I was not able to fix them. So I just have to run it again to see if it will fix. Thank you for taking the time to be here and read through this guide on secure OS configuration using Ubuntu.